Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Now in this tutorial we will see how we can fetch the data. So first thing we have to see here is fetch books and then result res.json. So we have converted it to JSON, then we are passing the result into state.getAllBooks. Now after that we can just check here whether it is working or not. Just click on get books. Now our cursor is at this place. You can click F10. First time it is going here. Now click again this one, and now you can see in this result we have some data available here in this form of array. We have this array object where we have data available. This one will set to this state.getBooks, and we can click on this. You will go on the state. We have all books, and inside all books we have now one book is available. Just click continue, and then we can see the data is now available in our page. So now next thing is we have to display that data. So by doing this, data is now available. We have to display that data. So for that, let me just write here simple. So since we have all data available in all books, so we can write here this dot state dot all books, and then we can write dot for each. So we can use for each loop. We can pass here, let's say data, or we can say anything. We can write book. We can now write all the things, so it will print here. So it will print all the data. But before, so let's just first print it, and let's write here console.log. Just I want to check whether it is working or not. So I can say book.id plus, and then I can say book.title. So these two things I am just going to print it. Let's click save. Go to this one. I am just disabling my debugger and will go on to the console. Click on get all books. You can see now data is coming to Shishan. So the next thing that we have to do is we can create a table and then we can display it here. We'll go, instead of printing it here, now we can write table, and inside table we should have th table, then tr, right? Inside tr we should have th. So th is basically table heading. So first is hash, and then what we will do, we'll add here th title, and then we can say we have action. So these three heading